Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about prompt engineering and what all strategies and their tactics. So let's get started. So there are 6 strategies for getting better prompt. First, write clear instruction to the prompt, provide reference text to the prompt, split complex tasks into simpler subtasks, give the model time to think, use external tools, and test changes systematically. We'll go one by one on each of these strategies and learn which all tactics we can use. First, write clear instruction. So while writing the clear instruction to the prompt, we have to keep in mind include details in your query to get more relevant answers. Ask the model to adopt a persona. For example, as in poet or as in teacher or tutor. So ask the model to adopt a persona. Use delimiters to clearly indicate the distinct part of the inputs. So if you have a long input and there are various input, delimit that. Specify the steps required to complete a task. For example, if you want to translate, first summarize one paragraph and then translate, then step 1, step 2, like this you can provide as a prompt to the assistant. Then provide examples. So give reference example to the bot so that they can understand your specific needs. Specify the desired length of the output in terms of the words, length of the words, number of bullet points, etc. etc. Then the next strategy is provide reference text. So you can instruct the model to use a reference text to answer the specific questions. You can also instruct the model to answer those questions with citation from the reference text. So while answering to your specific question, they can give you the paragraph where it can cite those answers. The next strategy is split complex tasks into simpler subtasks. To do this, we can use intent classification to identify the most relevant instruction for a user query. For dialogue applications that require very long conversation, summarize or filter previous dialogues. Summarize long document piecewise and construct a full summary recursively. So this way you can simplify or create subtasks for your complex tasks. Give the model time to think. So the tactics which we can use is instruct the model to work out its own solution before rushing to a conclusion. Use inner monologue or a sequence of queries to hide the model's reasoning process. Ask the model if it missed anything on the previous passes so that it can improve. The next strategy is use external tools. So like we can use embedding based search to implement efficient knowledge retrieval. Use code execution to perform more accurate calculations or call external APIs. Give the model access to specific functions if you require to perform some specific task. Last but not the least, test changes systematically. So you evaluate your model output with reference to the gold standard answers. So this is it from this video. We'll do some hands-on in the next video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.